Hello ladies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia and it is that time of the month again. It is Scarf of the Month. This is for August. I feel like I need to apologize for not having time last month to film the July Scarf of the Month. It was really pretty and I'm sorry that I didn't get a chance to film it, but this month I've got the scarf in my lap. Just arrived day before yesterday. Pretty excited, and I'm gonna get started. Now, this kit came. This is it. It's the August. It's got a headband and a scarf. I'm gonna be opening this up. I hadn't opened it up. I saw it. I like the flowers. I did my makeup just to complement it. So we have here the headband, and throw that away. It is a very thin pearl, and those are a silver and clear seed bead. So get this close. It's sort of a diamond pattern, if I can get that. And it's got the elastic. Now it's got the really awesome elastic. I love this one compared to the 2-strand elastic. This one likes to stretch much nicer. Okay, and then now before I move to the scarf real quick, I can see this being really awesome during the holidays coming up because of the color. I've got a lot of white scarves that I could totally match with that, and I could see it matching in with the new line that Rapunzel just launched. Some of those really cool new scarves. So this will get a lot of wear in the next month. Okay, now I'm going to open up the scarf. And what we have here is a rectangular floral scarf. It's nice and light, and the colors are muted, which is really super cool. I don't have to have the crazy vibrant bright in your face like these colors all the time. These are quite lovely. Again, it's rectangular. So here we go. Now the tag says it's 100% viscose, and it feels very cottony, very light. Now I'm going to probably do 2 looks with this scarf, and so I'm going to do two looks with this scarf. One something very simple, and then I'll try something a little bit more dramatic. Now I'm going to put on the headband. I've got on the signature shaper with the headband, and it looks like I've tied it on crooked. Okay, get the floof a little bit in the center. Okay, so I'm going to start by folding over this much, and I'm going to place on at an angle. I find that I really like angles with my face shape, and I like them off-centered angles. So just putting it on at an angle. I'm going to tie a knot in the back, and I'm going to tie it so that the long end comes down and out on the bottom. There we go. There we go. Okay, so I have this nice short end. Make sure the scarf is covering. I've Now, I'm going to bring my headband up. For those of you who know me, I really enjoy a good angled headband. It's just the way I like to wear them. It's the way they're more comfortable for me. So this one will be just like so. Right here, dramatic angle. And I have where the elastic begins way back under here because it sort of gets hidden by the tail. Okay, now I'm going to make sure this one is folded neatly. And spun the correct direction. Okay, bringing it up and at that angle. I'm just going to continue around. Let's show you. Around the back like this, keeping this nice and flat. Okay. And then up again. And find the pocket and tuck it away. Now I have this first look, simple and elegant. Rather like that. Okay, now I'm going to change it up. Do one more. I'm going to fold it over, just like so. Now I'm going to be doing this from the back. I'm going to lean my head forward, put the scarf on, pull it so that the bottom of the scarf is covering up just to the bottom of my shaper. Okay, so, and I have, this is the perfect width. I've got the perfect fold because it just comes to the front of my headband. I'm swooping up like so. And I'm getting this short tail and pulling it around. Now, if I had 3 hands, this would be excellent because I'm going to work the headband up like so. This looks awkward because it is. Okay. Flattening that out a little bit. Okay, so I have this short end around. I'm opening up this long end and I'm bringing it down and around. And then I still have enough that when I bring it up and over, it's going to cover this really awkward piece. So I'm bringing this up and over. I'm twisting it before I find the pocket and tuck it in. Just like so. Okay, now I will probably change shapers today. I don't wear this one enough, so I wanted to give it a little bit of a go. But if I'm gonna drive, I'm gonna change into a smaller shaper. But I can, maybe not. Okay. So here is the second and final look. I'm gonna do a spin around to show you what it looks like all the way around. And one this way. All right, ladies, I hope you've enjoyed this month's Scarf of the Month tutorial. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.